Hello, I'm Caroline and I'm here to guide you through our senior momentum warm-up. We're going to start with some bends of the knees to warm up our legs, and then we're going to do some sways to warm up the upper body. Then we're going to do some isolations that concentrate on individual parts of the body, and then things for our legs and exercises for our backs. Before we start, can you just check that you've got enough space to move? We're not going to move that far, but at least a few steps either side. And also don't forget forward and back. Make sure the floor is clear and the space around you isn't cluttered, so you're not going to trip over anything. Let's make a start. We're going to start with some bends. Don't forget your posture. So before you breathe in, as you breathe out, pull everything in and up, right from the pelvic floor. Relax the shoulders, tuck the bottom under, and make yourself in a nice tall position. Off we go. Bend and straighten, bend and straighten. Don't forget to pull the muscles up above the knee. And now 1. Keep going. 2. Push down as far as you can, and then straighten the knees up. Don't force them back. Pull those muscles up above the knee. Now let's put some arms in. Swing the arms. 1, 2. Keep going. Keep lifting up. Good. Now with your feet apart, we bend and straighten. Bend, make sure your knees go out over your toes. Don't let them drop in towards each other. And swing the arms. 1, 2. Now reach across the body, lift out of the waist and twist round. Lift up all the time. Bend and roll the shoulders. Open out across the chest. And circle those shoulders and arms round. Now the other way. Round and round. Open out. Try and get those shoulder blades touching at the back. Other way. Good. Swing the arms round. Lift up. Round. 2, 3, 4. Other way. Now feet turned out, heels touching, keep pulling up, bend, squeeze those inner thighs together so you're really working all the muscles right through the legs. And rest. Okay, we're going to move on to our swings and sways. Here we go, pulling up. If you can, you step forward. If not, you can still do this one on the spot. Lift up, don't forget your posture, breathe in. As you breathe out, lift up. Forward and back. Now step if you can to the side, lift up, stretch over. Other foot, forward, back, up, and over, again, and forward, and back, and over, recover. One more, and back, over, and sway. Big bend in between, 2. Now all the way round, 1. Up and over. Back to the beginning. Step forward, open, arms reverse on the way back. Lift up and over. Again, forward and back. And step up and over. Keep those tummies pulled in the whole time. Again. And back. And again. And sway. And 1, 2. Lift up and round. 1. Okay, this time, same bit. And back. Now a big bend and reach right over into a lunge and round. Forward. And back. Reach into a lunge. You don't have to go all the way down. If you're not comfortable with this, you can keep it higher. And just swing round the upper body. One more. Lift up and over and rest. Okay, on to our isolations. We're going to start with our head, shoulders, our rib cages, our hips, and then down to our legs. So don't forget, start with a good posture, so breathe in. As you breathe out, you're pulling everything in and up. Relax the shoulders, tuck the bottom under slightly, and lift out of the waist, shoulders down. Here we go. Heads go down. Down, stretch the neck out. And gently just lift the chin. Don't drop the head back. And lift. And down. And up. And down. And up. Now look round to the side. Nice long necks. Keep those tummies pulled in. Good. Now we're going to tilt over. Lift and tilt over. Ear towards your shoulder without moving anything else, just the head. Over and up, over and up. Tummies are still pulled in. Now lift the shoulders up and let them drop down, up. Don't drop in your body, keep pulling everything in and up and down, up. Keep the shoulders slightly back, up and down. Now we're going to go twice with the right. 1, 2, and the left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again. Up. Then we're going to go up. So we do right, left, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. You can take this faster if you like. It goes up, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Don't move the body, just the shoulders. Okay, relax and just shake everything out for a second. Okay, back to our lovely posture, lifting up. And we're going to use our rib cage. So you lift out of the waist, try and get that rib cage moving over. Don't expect it to go a long way, just push out and up. Lift up out of your hips and waist before you move over. It's as if somebody is pushing you from the side of your ribs there. Good, this is a good one to do in front of the mirror at home so you can actually see your progress. Now we're going to go forward. And now pull in, don't sink down. Pull out. And as you go back, you pull everything in here. Forward. And back. Good. Okay. Bend the knees and let the hips go. Here we go. Now tuck under, and release. So you're tucking the pelvis under, tighten those buttocks in under, back, under and back. Tighten, release. Be careful if you've got any back problems. Don't push it too far. And release. One more. Keep those tummies pulled in. And let's have a little bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bit quicker. 1, 2. Again, lift out of the waist. Let these hips get going. Okay, feet together. We're going to bend and rise up and down. When you bend, knees go forward. When you rise up, go through the middle of the foot. Don't go towards your little toes. Right up through the middle, as far as you can. Now peel the foot off and push it down. Off, down. Try and feel your foot peeling off. Now you're at home. You can do this in bare feet maybe, which is really good to get these feet moving. And down. Through, toe through to heel. Up, one foot to the other. 1. Again, through the middle of the foot. Bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift up, don't sink down, don't move the hips. Keep them level, don't drop them as you go from one foot to the other. Again. Okay, bend and just relax those calf muscles a bit. Don't sink down, still pulling up, pulling those tummies in. Let's have a little twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to, you can turn this into a little jump. 1, 2, pull up. Don't sink down as you land. Think of lifting up, up. And shake the legs out. Well done. And rest. Now we're going to work on our legs. When you lift your leg, remember you always think of lifting from underneath the thigh. So even when it's bent or when it's straightened, you still lift from underneath the thigh. We still need our lovely posture. Hold your arms out slightly in front of you to help you balance. We lift our leg up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now leg goes behind and you're going to swing it through and back. When you do this, don't take the weight back, keep it forward so it swings through and stays on the front leg. Here we go. One leg behind, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Change legs. Keep the weight forward. 2, 3. Try and straighten the leg as it comes through. 1, 2, 3. Change. And a 1. Keep those tummies pulled in. Don't lean back. Let's go back to the knee raises. Up and down. Up, down. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg swings through. 1 and 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3. And rest. Okay, our last exercise is for our backs. If you have any back problems, please be very careful. But this is really good for just lengthening out the lower spine especially. If you have balance problems, then I suggest you hold onto a chair or with both hands onto something. And the important thing is, as you come up from rolling down, you do not put any pressure on your back. You can use your hands on your thighs and make sure you pull your tummies in. Off we go. You make yourself as tall as you can to start with. And then you tuck the head in. You pull the tummy in. You curl the shoulders round and you go down and just hang. And when you're ready, you come up slowly. Don't rush it. If you need to, use your hands on your thighs to support you. You lengthen up through the spine and shoulders down. Nice long necks. Again, tuck the head in, curl the shoulders, pull the tummy in, relax the knees, and down. And just hang. And when you're ready, up you come. Hands on thighs if you need to. Lengthen up, tuck the bottom under slightly as you come. And lengthen up through the spine. Now you can stay just going that far, but if you want to, you can go a bit further and go down as far as you can, touching the floor. When you get there, try and straighten the legs. If you can't, just come back up. Here we go. Come up slowly. You can do this in your own time. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. It's just there to help. Here we go again. And down. If you want to, try and straighten the legs. And up slowly. If you find you can't quite straighten your legs when you get down, if you take a breath in while you're there, and as you breathe out, try and give yourself another gentle stretch, this may help. Okay, last time. And down. Relax the knees. Try and straighten the legs. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, an extra stretch. And up. Tucking the bottom under and lengthening through that spine. Really lift up. Nice long necks, shoulders down. And thank you very much.